Bonjour creative souls, welcome to my channel Artistic Sukalpa. Today we are going to draw our favorite character Doraemon. But before we begin, a quick reminder, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out of any of my future videos. Let's start drawing. Draw two ovals. Inside each of those, draw one smaller oval. Next, draw a circle for his nose. Now, create two large ovals for his eyes. Draw a curved line, one more curved line, then a straight line, and finally another curved line. Now for his tongue, draw one more curved line. His mouth is completed. Now draw his bell. Then his collar. Now let's create his stone-like head. Let's add his whiskers. Draw a circle and his body. For his fourth dimensional pocket, draw a semicircle on his stomach and add a curved line around it. Now finally draw his feet. Let's add the background elements, the fence, the utility pole, some lines in the utility pole. Now draw a tree, his neighbor's house, now draw Doraemon's house. Details in his house. Don't forget to add details to the fence. completed. Let's start coloring him. First, let's color his nose with R2 vermilion. Then his eyes with black. His mouth with R2 vermilion. His tongue with YR3 orange. His cheeks with R10 pastel pink. His collar with R2 vermilion. And his bell with Y2 sunflower and YR2 marigold. Add shadows to his body with PB8 cerulean blue. More shadows with cool grey 20. Color Doraemon's body with PB7 pastel blue. Our Doraemon is completed. Now let's color the background elements. For tree, use GY3 bud green. Add some shadows to tree with GY2 grass green. Use cool grey 20 for fence and utility pole. The neighbor's house will be GY6 anise. Utility pole and fence with cool grey 24. Details with cool grey 27 and grass with GY5 absinthe. Sky blue, warm grey 1, GY3 bud green. BR2 potato brown and light red. Finish coloring with sky blue. And now it's completed. Thank you for watching a bientôt.